Students of class 1st and 2nd, welcome all of you in the online coding classes of MS Pen. This is part 3. So let's start. In this video, we will learn how to create a rocket with the help of Shapes tool. We can create this rocket with the help of Shape tool. So students, let's start. So first of all, just identify the shapes which we are using to create this kind of rocket. This is triangle, this is rectangle, again rectangle, rectangle and triangle. So using these shape we can create a rocket. So first of all we will pick a triangle and just draw a triangle. The color of this triangle is pink, so just delete it. First of all choose color black. Fine. Now pick triangle shape, click here and draw triangle. Fine. Now what we need to do, we need to choose this rounded rectangle, click over here and draw a rectangle like this. Fine. Again you need to click on this rounded rectangle, just move your pointer over here, click and draw another rectangle like this. Once again you need to click on rounded rectangle, click over here and draw this rectangle like this. Fine. Now what we need to do, we need to choose this right angle triangle to create its fins. So just choose this right angle triangle and draw right angle triangle like this. Fine. Same thing we have to do from here, but when we are doing this thing here, what happened, the direction of this angle is different, so we need to change the direction from here. As you can see, option is there, rotate. Just click over here. Now use this flip horizontal. Yeah, it is correct. Now you can measure this right angle triangle like this. See, our fins are created. If you want to put our tricolor flag over here, you can do it with the help of using this rectangle shape. So use this rectangle shape, create a small rectangular box, again create a small rectangular box, like this. And again create a small rectangular box. Let me undo this. Click outside. Again 3 box we need to create. Let's match this like this. Fine. Now we will fill color in it. You can choose same color or different color like this. To fill color you need to choose this fill with color tool. Just click over here, choose the color like this. I am choosing blue color. Just fill over here like this. If you want to fill color in tricolor, just choose this orange color and fill it, green color and fill it, and if you want to fill colors in fins like this and like this, you can fill it. Now at the bottom box you can choose violet color just like this, and in middle yellow color like this, and pink color in this and this. So we have created our rocket like this. So student, you can also create this type of shapes at your home, in your computer, in your laptop. Just try to create this kind of shape using these tools, this shape tools. There are so many tools. Using these tools we can create different type of shapes. So students, I hope you have understood how to choose this shape and create this kind of figure. So I hope you will draw this figure at your home. Fine. Thank you very much.